Go ahead.
This is how to start a plane, fly the world's farthest paper airplane, without crashing and it falling down.
How do you do it?
You take a paper airplane, like this one for example. I'm going to fly this one. And make it, or if you don't have one, then just make it. And I'm going to do a video of how to make it after this one, how to fly it if you want to do it. And so maybe you could do it and try and break my record. Okay.
And how do you fly it?
You aim it up, but not too high like this. Up like that.
Okay.
And then if you want to throw it farthest, you could step to and lean forward and throw it up. But the best way would be to go at that. Step and bend your knee and throw it up.
Okay.
And so I think I'm going to fly it right now.
Okay.
Whoa!
Oh, look how far that went.
That landed into the wall.
Yeah, from way over there to here.